Hello and welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted partner in property management. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of responsible property management, conducting a tenant criminal background check in Salt Lake City, Utah. As property owners or managers, your tenant's safety and the security of your investment property are of the utmost importance. Did you know that 1 in 4 people has a criminal record? That's why running a tenant criminal background check is essential. Notify the applicant. The process begins with transparency. Under Utah landlord-tenant law, it's crucial to notify the tenant and gain their acknowledgement before running a background check. As per the Fair Credit Reporting Act, applicants have the right to request a copy of the report. Types of background checks. Choosing the right background check is key. Decide which criminal records matter most to you as a property owner. Whether it's focusing on felonies or considering expungements, understanding your criteria is vital for a thorough screening process. Set your standard of approval. Prevent discrimination claims by setting clear applicant standards aligned with the Fair Housing Act. This ensures a fair evaluation process and safeguards your investment property. Choose a service. Now, let's talk about the practical steps. You have options. Whether you choose online services or work with a full-service property management company like Wolfnest, the goal is to streamline the process from start to finish, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. Risk of not requiring a background check. While background checks are not mandatory in Utah, the benefits of tenant screening services are undeniable. Skipping this step may expose you to the risks of more frequent evictions, impacting your rental income. Tenant criminal background check. A tenant criminal background check is more than a formality. It's a vital component of responsible property management. By adhering to legal and ethical guidelines, Wolfnest ensures that tenants are informed and their rights are upheld. At Wolfnest, we understand the nuances of tenant screening. Let our experienced rental property management team handle the criminal background checks for you. From property marketing to lease renewals, we've got you covered. Contact us today for a seamless and stress-free property management experience.